By harnessing the power of new AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory, we can start creating YouTube videos and generating affiliate commissions fast. So what I'm about to show you can be easily replicated with any product that has an affiliate program. In particular today, I'll be using the Amazon affiliate program to show you how to create a profitable video from start to finish. Now the best thing about this method is you can start earning money from YouTube from your very first video. You don't need to wait for your channel to be monetized. And I won't be reviewing the product directly. Instead, my method involves finding a natural need for the product and providing a video with actual value. And throughout that video and in certain key points, we can link and mention our specific product. So for example, if you choose a product like premium dog food, you could create a video around, say, why my dog isn't eating, why my dog isn't hungry, and mention the food as one of the main reasons among many others, and then link your product in the description. Don't worry though, you don't need to write this all yourself. I'll show you how it can be done easily with ChatGPT. Now first, let's head over to Amazon, find your specific product, and figure out what problem it solves. Up here, you'll see a whole range of different categories. Just choose something that interests you, such as home improvement. Go to bestsellers. This will show trending and hot products. So these lights could make an interesting video. Shower heads, CCTV, so a Ring doorbell. Make sure it's actually available and figure out why someone would purchase this. So what I do here is I just go to ChatGPT and ask it the same question. So why would someone use a Ring doorbell? Dot point form. Just to get some ideas. Security, convenience. You then follow on with more questions to try and get an idea of what the video could be about. So, does it prevent maybe home invasions? It can help deter burglaries. So it might be something worth considering. Let's go over to YouTube. I've got a free tool called TubeBuddy that I use for keyword research. Click on that, Keyword Explorer. How to prevent home invasions. The overall score should be in the green. To prevent, or how to maybe deter home invasions. Excellent. So this is something that we can choose. Now, just to show you proof that this actually works, I'll head over to my Amazon account and refresh it. So this is one of my accounts where I test random products. I made $244 in the last month. If you go to the commission income statement, it'll show you a whole range of different percentages and what you can make per category. So home improvement is around 7%. Yep. And the good thing about this is there's a 24-hour cookie duration. So if someone decides to purchase a laptop or something in here, you can also get 4% of that sale as well. Now that we've got our video idea, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to start writing our script. So write me a YouTube intro for the following topic: how to deter home invasions. Literally just copy this and paste it into your document. Now you need to write the bulk of the script, so just tell ChatGPT to do it for you. So just say something like, write a comprehensive script on how to deter home invasions. Okay, it gives you the intro as well. Done. So with these points, you can expand on certain ones, but for this video, I'm not going to do it. For example, secure your doors and windows, just type expand on that point and it'll write more. So what you want to do now is just copy this and the conclusion, paste it here. The conclusion, and here we're going to write another point on how a doorbell camera can prevent home invasion. So copy this and paste it in your script. So somewhere relevant, maybe not at the end, uses home security system. So in here fits nicely. A doorbell camera can also. And then add your call to action under it. So write something like this. I've already written it out. So if you're interested in purchasing a doorbell camera, I'll leave a link to the one I use in the video description. It provides excellent footage and I've never had an issue with it. Sounds good. Now you want to create your video. So literally just copy and paste your script into Pictory. This is another AI tool, so it reads your text and applies relevant videos towards it. It does have a free plan, but it only allows for 3 videos. After that, you will need to upgrade. I've left an affiliate link in the description. It does allow you to take 20% off any plan that they have on offer. So what you want to do now is go to script editor, paste your whole script and write something here. Doorbell, camera, proceed. Choose any of these templates. So this one looks alright. Continue. So now that that's loaded, you'll notice that Pictory has added captions and relevant stock footage in relation to the text here. There is a few changes we need to do now. Just adjust this to make it look better. And just go through each scene and just make sure that the scene or the footage that it's chosen relates to this text. So this one, for example, doors and windows are secure. We could probably find something better than that. Secure lock. That works a bit better. Example, this one, and you can add different transitions. So for example, looks good. Other things you can do, go to audio, voiceovers, apply whatever voiceover you want. These are all the AI default ones.
Welcome to Pic.
Yeah, good enough. So that's already applied, but what I do in this case is I use Murf. This is a premium voiceover tool. Background music, just apply whatever one you want. Go through them all, obviously, just double check that it relates to the video. And then you can preview it to see what it looks like.
Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to deter home invasions and keep your home and family safe. Home invasions can... It's also a good idea to trim back a security system with Synthesys. When someone approaches your front door, the camera will detect their presence and send an alert to your phone. You can then see who is at the door and communicate with them remotely.
See if they have ring footage. Oh, they do. Okay, that will work. So that scene's set 33 seconds long. It can be applied over multiple scenes, which is good. So to link scenes, just go back here and click this link button. So just have a play around with it. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you're ready, generate video, and it will allow you to download the file and upload it to YouTube. So while you're waiting for it to download, you can go to Canva, search in YouTube thumbnail, choose one of these to edit. Or you can go back to ChatGPT and try and write your title and YouTube description. So write me a YouTube title based on that topic. Write more and make them clickbait. They do generate some interesting ones. That one sounds alright. Then write me a YouTube description topic. Go back to YouTube. Upload. This does take a while, but it'll probably be over 100 megabytes, so that's why. So select your file, add that as your title, add that as your description, and then write something like ring doorbell, and then add your custom link. And Amazon also requires you to say that it's an affiliate offer, so just say Amazon affiliate, something like that, or a disclosure at the bottom. That works as well. And yeah, that's all there is to it. To get your custom link, it's really simple. Just go back to Amazon. You'll see this SiteStripe plugin or toolbar that they have. Just click text, copy that, paste it here. That's it. So if you want a more in-depth guide on this, I'll leave a link in the YouTube description to my full tutorial. Another point to mention is now that you've chosen your niche, it's best to stick with that niche as it builds your authority on YouTube, and YouTube understands what your channel is about and pushes your videos to a certain audience. So for example, you could create videos around alarm systems, how to secure your door, most common entry points, things like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions or any questions at all, just leave a comment in the YouTube description.